Stay informed with Infolin 11, your trusted source for news and insights. Hello and welcome to my vlog on activating your potential by cleansing your aura, connecting to the universe, and awakening your mind. In today's fast-paced and stressful world, it's easy to get bogged down by negative energy, distractions, and the daily grind. However, by taking a few simple steps, you can cleanse your aura, connect to the universe, and awaken your mind to unlock your true potential and live your best life. Let's start with cleansing your aura. Your aura is the energy field that surrounds you and interacts with the world around you. Negative emotions, stress, and environmental factors can leave negative energy imprints on your aura, leading to fatigue, anxiety, and other negative emotions. Therefore, it's essential to cleanse your aura regularly to remove these negative imprints and restore balance and harmony. 1. There are many ways to cleanse your aura, including smudging. Smudging is a Native American practice that involves burning sage or other herbs and allowing the smoke to wash over your body and surroundings. The smoke is believed to remove negative energy and purify your aura. You can also use Palo Santo, frankincense, or myrrh. Salt baths. Adding Epsom salt or sea salt to your bath water can help draw out negative energy and toxins from your body. You can add essential oils to the bath to make it more relaxing and invigorating. Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for cleansing your aura. By focusing your mind and clearing away negative thoughts and emotions, you can restore balance and harmony to your aura. You can practice different types of meditation, such as breathing, visualization, or sound meditation, to find what works best for you. Now, let's move on to connecting to the universe. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, and many people believe that we are all connected to it in some way. By tapping into this connection, we can gain insight, guidance, and inspiration to help us reach our full potential. 2. To connect to the universe, you can try the following. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful tool for connecting to the universe. By focusing on the things in your life that you are grateful for, you can attract positive energy and abundance into your life. You can keep a gratitude journal, write letters of appreciation, or simply express your gratitude in your mind. Set intentions. Setting intentions is a way of telling the universe what you want to achieve. By focusing your energy and attention on your goals, you can attract the resources and opportunities you need to make them a reality. You can write down your intentions, visualize them, or share them with a supportive friend or community. Spend time in nature. Nature is a powerful source of energy and inspiration. By spending time in nature, you can connect with the natural rhythms of the universe and gain insight and guidance. You can go for a hike, a walk in the park, or simply sit outside and observe the beauty of nature. Finally, let's talk about awakening your mind. Your mind is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals and unlock your true potential. However, many people are held back by limiting beliefs, negative self-talk, and other mental barriers. By awakening your mind, you can overcome these barriers and unleash your full potential. 3. To awaken your mind, you can try the following. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a way of focusing your attention on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. By practicing mindfulness, you can quiet your mind and become more aware of your thoughts and emotions. You can practice mindfulness while doing daily activities like walking, eating, or even washing dishes. Challenge your beliefs. Many of the beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world around us are limiting and negative. By challenging these beliefs, we can break free from the mental barriers that hold us back. Ask yourself questions like, is this belief really true? Or what evidence do I have to support this belief? And consider alternative perspectives. Learn new things. Learning new things can help you expand your mind and challenge your assumptions. You can take a class, read a book, or explore a new hobby or interest. By exposing yourself to new ideas and experiences, you can broaden your horizons and unlock new potential. In conclusion, by cleansing your aura, connecting to the universe, and awakening your mind, you can unlock your true potential and live your best life. These practices may take time and effort to integrate into your daily routine, but the benefits are well worth it. Remember to be patient with yourself and trust the process. With dedication and perseverance, you can activate your potential and achieve your dreams. Thank you for watching. Please share and subscribe in Mindfulness 11 channel.